Another day, another house. This house and lot here in Angeles City, Pampanga is perfect para sa mga naghahanap ng bigger lot area. Welcome to Solana, Zaragoza. In this video, we're featuring one of our best sellers para sa mga naghahanap ng 4-bedroom unit. This is the Miranda model. Meron itong 2 covered carports with a floor area of 187 square meter and a minimum lot area of 182 square meter. As you can see, ang lawak ng open space for our living and dining area. Dito sa first floor, andito rin ang ating first bedroom. Ideal para sa elderly family members or pwede rin gawing guest room. Katabi nito ang common toilet and bath. Over here is our kitchen area and the best part, this is the actual deliverable unit. Kasama na sa turnover ang cabinets, countertop, and sink. Sa tabi naman nito, makikita natin ang enclosed service area with an extended sink. Perfect itong gawing laundry area. Pag-akyat natin sa second floor, you'll be greeted by another open space which can serve as a family area. Nandito rin ang 3 bedrooms at ang common toilet and bath sa second floor. Spacious enough for families na gusto ng maraming rooms. And finally, the master bedroom. This can fit a king-size bed with plenty of space pa for extra furniture. Meron din itong sariling toilet and bath at syempre may access to your private balcony. If you prefer this Miranda model, comment how below para malaman kung paano ka makakapag-start dito sa Solana, Zaragoza. Thank you for joining this house tour and see you on the next one. Bye!